Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nesa, for those of you who don't know me. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm March review. Now this is not quite an unboxing because I didn't actually unbox it on the video. I am just using the products on camera and telling you how I feel about it. So that is pretty much what we're gonna do today. So let's get into it. It did come a little bit late, but I still wanted to get this video up before the end of the month. I don't have anything on my face right now because there is a primer in this box that I wanted to try. There is also one skincare product, so I'm just gonna jump right in. The theme for this month is a game changer. So this is the insert that came in the box, and it just has a breakdown of all the products that are in the box this month and the prices for each. I'm gonna go in order of the way these things are applied on the face. So this is the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask, and it's designed to gobble up dead skin and reveal softer, clearer skin. I have tried this, but I don't know if I notice anything different. Evenly distribute sunglasses to every person. It literally says that on the box. I'm not kidding. I'm assuming that that means it's supposed to give you like this radiant, glowy appearance to the skin, but I don't feel like that was working for me. I didn't really see that. But I did try this, and I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but I'm going to keep using it and then we'll see what happens. So the second product in the box is actually the product that I will be applying to my face now. This is the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Base Illuminant. Oh no, wait, sorry. That's the French side of it. Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. That's what it's called. So it says it's a weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. I would like a lit from within, thank you very much. I probably look like I'm being really aggressive with my skin, but I promise it's gentle. The next thing in the box is actually this brush set from Luxie. I've had Luxie brushes before and they perform really well. This comes with a cute little sponge. It's a little bit smaller than like my regular blending sponges, like you can see the difference. The one that I've recently been using actually is this Araceli sponge. So I'm just gonna go get this a little bit squishy and we'll see how it works. This is the Luxie Florals brush set featuring 4 new brushes. There is an eyeliner brush, a tapered blending brush, an eye shading brush, and a concealer brush. So since there isn't a palette in this month's box, I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in with these brushes and just a random old palette that I have, and we'll see how these perform. So I'm just gonna start off by priming my lids. There is a concealer brush in this collection. Aside from it being a little small, it gets the job done. I feel like the spongier and squishier the sponge is, the more it will soak up. So these types of like rubbery, stiffer types of sponges, I feel like they do a lot better in terms of coverage. So I'm just jumping into the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. I'm just going in with this little baby pink shadow right here. Pack this on and just map out the shape that I want. So then I'm actually going to dip into the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. Going into this shade called Pumpkin Pie. Packing this where I added that pink. I'm going to go in with the tapered blending brush and to blend the edges of all of these together. This is really soft and fluffy. I'm just going in tiny circles at the edge of that pink. I'm going to go in with this purpley shade called Cranberry. So I'm just going to go back in with this concealer brush and I'm just going to carve this out with some concealer. So I'm just going to hold my breath while I do this. Since there isn't a flat brush that I can add my shadow, my shimmery shadow with, I'm just going to go in with one of my other brushes. The next product in the box will actually be this eyeliner. This is the Lauren Conrad V eyeliner. I love me some fresh eyeliner. Just finished off my lower lashes and added some mascara, and that's pretty much the look. So I'm not gonna add lashes for the sake of the video. When I'm gonna do my photographs for Instagram, I will add some lashes. So there is one last product in the box, and that is the Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. I can't give a fair review on this now because I have never used this before. Let me see if it has a scent. It doesn't really have a scent. I feel like it smells like pasta. Let's test it out and see what it's like for my hair. My hair has been really damaged over the past few years. I used to flat iron my hair about twice a week, and I wouldn't use heat protectant. I don't know why. And because of that, my hair got so heat damaged, I just chopped off like a big chunk of it. It was almost down to my butt. That's how long my hair recently was. And then I cut it because I needed it to just catch itself again. So I've been taking better care of it. I've been using heat protectant. I've only been straightening maybe like twice a month now. Maybe it's in my mind, but I feel like this just added like a really nice shine to it. So that was pretty much everything for this month's box. The theme for this month was game changer. Not quite sure which of these products are game changers for me. I don't know. We'll see. We'll keep using them. So the total value of this month's box is actually $135.95. That is literally all of the products added up from here. So if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm and get 5 full products every month, you can use the link in my description. It will take you directly to the website so you can sign up for April's Boxycharm and we can review that together. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that. I will see you in my next video. Take care.